White smoke from diesel exhaust, how to check and fix it. How is white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe? What is the reason for white smoke coming out of this Hyundai Starex 2012 year of the car? First, I will tell you what are the problems that cause white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. Common causes of white smoke from diesel engines include: there are two main reasons for thick white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe of a diesel engine. Number one is due to coolant leaks such as a blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head or engine block. Number two is due to incomplete fuel combustion due to faulty injectors or improper fuel injection. Coolant or diesel entering the engine chamber due to fluid which turns into thick smoke when the engine is slightly heated. Number one. The reason for the white smoke is a coolant leak. How to check and understand that there is a coolant leak. The car engine was running, so I turned it off. First, I will check the coolant level, so I will remove the radiator cap and check the coolant level. I checked the coolant level and it was fine, which means there is no coolant leak. If there was a coolant leak, the coolant level would have dropped. A coolant leak can cause the engine to overheat while driving and the temperature gauge will go high. You can tell by the smell of white smoke. When coolant burns in the engine chamber, the smoke has a distinct sweet, syrupy, or buttery aroma. The smell comes from ethylene glycol, a sweet-smelling, toxic chemical found in coolant. Number two white smoke is caused fuel injector. I will show you what problems your car can have if white smoke is caused by fuel injectors. This car's engine knocks a lot after starting. I look behind the car and see a lot of thick white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. What is the reason for engine knocking and white smoke? How to check? How to solve this problem? First, I opened the engine oil cap to see if there was any problem inside their engine. If there was any problem with the engine, white smoke would come OU off the oil cap. This means that there is the problem inside the engine. How to test and diagnose fuel injector problems. I turned off the engine so I will check the fuel injector manually. The way I check is if the engine is knocking and white smoke is coming out of the exhaust pipe due to a fuel injector problem. Then by checking this way, you will easily understand and diagnose the fuel injector problem. To check, I will first disconnect the number one fuel injector wire socket. I just disconnected the number one injector wire socket. The other three injector wires are connected to the sockets. Now I will get inside the car and start the engine. See, after starting the car engine, the engine knocking sound has reduced a lot. It is almost like there is no engine knocking. Now after opening the wire socket of injector number one, the amount of white smoke is much less and the smoke has become lighter. Now I will turn off the engine start. Now I will connect the wire socket of fuel injector number one. I connected the number one fuel injector wire socket. Now I will disconnect the number two fuel injector wire socket to check. The wire socket of injector number one is connected. See that the wire socket of injector number two has been disconnected. Now I get inside the car and start the engine. Look, after opening the number two injector wire socket, if you start the car engine, the engine knocking sound is much louder. Engine knocking sound and a lot of white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. I turned off the car engine. The reason for the knocking sound and excessive white smoke in the engine is that fuel injector number one is not working and the wire socket of injector number two is open. Now I will connect the wire socket of injector number two. I will will disconnect the number 1 fuel injector wire socket to check again. Look, I removed the number 1 fuel injector wire socket. Now I will start the car engine. If you disconnect the number 1 fuel injector wire socket and start the engine, the knocking sound is much less. Now I will stop starting the car engine. The engine knocking sound has reduced a lot. This means that the number 1 fuel injector has a problem or is not working properly. To confirm the problem with fuel injector number 1, I will now install fuel injector number 1 in cylinder number 2. I will install fuel injector number 2 in cylinder number 1 and check. Now I remove the number 2 fuel injector and set it aside. Now I take out the number 1 fuel injector. Look, it's marked as number 1 full injector. I installed fuel injector number 1 on cylinder number 2. I will install fuel injector number 2 on cylinder number 1. Fuel injector number 1 is installed on cylinder number 2 and fuel injector number 2 is installed on cylinder number 1. I have changed it to check and show you. Look, it's marked. This is fuel injector number 1, installed on cylinder number 2. Fuel injector number 2 is installed in cylinder number 1. Now I have completed the fuel injector installation and everything. I have changed the wheel injector and now I have installed it in the fuel injector wire pocket installed in cylinder number 1. Since injector number 1 is installed on cylinder number 2, I left the fuel injector wire socket for cylinder number 2 open. Now I will start the car engine. Look, the engine knocking signal is very low, confirming the number 1 fuel injector problem in my car. Now I will stop starting the car engine. If your car's fuel injector problem is confirmed, be sure to have it repaired. The number 1 fuel injector on my car is not working, so I will remove the fuel injector and take it out for repair. I will remove all the fuel injectors in this car and take them out to service the other injectors. If you mark this, it will be easy to install when installing. I will remove all the injectors. I took out all the fuel injectors and now I will send them to a fuel injector repair shop for repair. After 2 days, the fuel injectors have been serviced and repaired. Now I will install all the fuel injectors and see if the car's problem is solved after installing them. I will install the fuel injectors now. Fuel injectors are all installed, complete done. Now I will start the car engine. I got inside the car to start the engine. After starting the car engine, I will now go to the engine compartment of the car and check if the engine is knocking or not. Inshallah, now there is no more engine knocking sound. Now there is no more problem with the car's fuel injectors, and there is no problem with the car's engine. Now let's see if white smoke comes out or not. Inshallah, now there is no more white smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. After repairing and installing the fuel injectors, there was white smoke when I started the car's engine, but after running the engine for a few hours, the white smoke stopped, God willing. If you have any trouble understanding anything while watching the video, please comment.